So here's the book, Every Dog, a book of over 450 breeds. The cover isn't a hard cover, but it is pretty strong. It's a little bit bendy. It's actually a pretty heavy book because of all the pages that it has in it. But let's take a closer look at this book. As you see here, it's got some beautiful pictures in it. There's a table of contents. There's a page explaining how their at-a-glance reference works. We have an introduction to the nature of a dog. And then we actually get into the meat of the book right here, and it starts off by breaking them down by types of dogs, and the first type of dog they look at are sighthounds and pariahs. Within this group, for example, they look at the Irish Wolfhound. It shows you its origin. It's got a picture of the dog with a little graph here indicating how much exercise is required for this breed. It gives you some history and tells you about the dogs in a paragraph up here. It also gives you an indication of the health warnings that you should be informed about. It always shows you a version of the pup as well. It's also going to show you their common coat colors right here. And here's the at-a-glance section that we mentioned earlier. It talks about their ease of training, their affection, playfulness, if they're good with children and other dogs, and how much grooming is required of them. And then sometimes you get little fun bits of information like this right here. You'll also get a section on the history of the animal, as well as a bar graph like this that shows their average height, average weight, and their average life expectancy. With over 450 dogs to choose from, how do you know how to find the one you're looking for? Well, in the back we have an index that tells us the name of the breed and then the page that you can find it on. And there you go, a great little book for dog lovers.